Emma Thompson gazes out of her art studio at blooming cherry blossoms, feeling a disconnect amidst unfinished canvases and stagnant creativity. Emma steps outside, enchanted by cherry blossoms, feeling inspired by the vibrant transformation of her surroundings. Emma reconnects with joy as she watches and joins children playing under blossoming cherry trees. Emma and children collaborate on a vibrant mural under cherry blossoms, showcasing teamwork, joy, and spring's beauty. A spring festival where Emma and children unveil a mural, celebrating creativity and connection.